You've designed a gorgeous brochure for print, but now the client wants a clickable PDF, a web version, and maybe an interactive flipbook. The good news, you don't need three different files. Today, we'll make one layout, rule them all. You finish your report, client loves it. 3 months later, they are back asking for the same thing with new numbers. Congratulations, you've just volunteered to rebuild your own work for free. Automatization fixes that. Set up your styles, templates, and assets once, and your next project starts halfway done before you even open the file. It's not lazy, it's the smartest thing you'll do all week. Here's the wild idea: stop starting from scratch every single time. Design your ideal document once, page size, margins, master pages, text styles, colors, the whole thing. When you are happy with it, go to File, Export as Template. Layout saves it as a .af template file. Next time, File, New from Template, and you're already halfway home. Templates can carry everything: master pages, text and object styles, assets, place order, text and frames, colors, just name it. Brochures, invoices, reports, client proposal. Every new project walks in with structure already wearing its shoes. So what would I do? First, let's choose the paper size. Then check is it it's going for a print, so 300 dpi. The page width and height is correct. Color format, it's CMYK. Color profile, let's change it to the Fogra 39 or whichever color profile your print house needs. Then let's see, let's say image placement preferred embedded, it's okay. Then it's gonna be multi-page, let's check that. Margins, of course, let's do inner 15. Okay, now you see it changed everything. You have to unlink it. If you want everything to be the same size, then just click on it and you see everything is linked, but I don't want, so unlink it. Let's say outer is gonna be 20, upper is gonna be 10, and bottom is gonna be 30. Now let's see, of course we need bleed. It's gonna be usually 3 to 5 millimeters, so I like 5, so I put 5 here. And if I know that I have to do this kind of page over and over and over again, all I would do is save to my presets. Let's give it a name, A4, let's say it's magazine, and okay. Now you see it's up here on my presets. Now click on it, and actually you can see what color profile it uses, SMIC or RGB. You see 4 colors, that means it's CMYK. Let's choose that and create document. Now, default styles are secret handshake of automatization. Nobody sees them working, but they just work. So first, let's bring it back here. First, let's take the text tool. Let's drag the text box. Let's fill it with filler text. Let's give it a little style, just for tutorial purposes. Let's give it this kind of font. Let's change that. Usually I put this what is it, leading 2 points bigger than the font size. So if my font size is 14, then my leading is 16 usually. That's what I use. There's different formulas like 1.2 bigger or 120% bigger, but I usually use like 2 points bigger than my font size. So now let's take this arrow tool, and if the text box isn't selected, select the text box. We did all the formatting already. Now, if you're happy with your style, go to Edit and Defaults and Synchronize from Selection. Now, what that did is when you take your text tool, drag it in, fill it with text, you see it remembered your text style, and now every time you use it, insert raw text, the outcome will be the same because it all those boxes are now synced with the same style. Same goes to the shapes. So let's try it out. Now let's take the shape. Let's take something different than just regular box. Let's take cloud tool. Good. Now draw the shape. Let's give it a different color. Let's give it a stroke outline. What we need? Red? No. Blue? Yeah, let's do blue. And let's give it a very big width, stroke width. And now let's say you like this shape and style. Again, be sure that your shape is selected. Go to Edit, Defaults, Synchronize from Selection. And now if you take any other shape, let's take circle, and you see it has the same style. Let's take something else. You see, same color, same stroke width. So those are synced with the original shape. Your brand colors and styles are now baked in. Layout remembers, so you don't have to. You train it once, it listens forever, unlike most things in your life. Logos, headers, banners, they show up on every page like that one coworker who CCs everyone. Except these ones are actually useful. Select the object. So let's see. Let's use that one. And now let's go to vector and create symbol. Now every instance of that element updates the moment you change one. Touch one, fix all. That's not the trick, that's leverage. So what I mean, let's say you need this kind of shape like on every page. Let's actually make some more pages. Let's say 4 pages. Okay, and now I think that was the original one. And let's copy it. Let's copy it on, let's say you want it on every page. Now, if you take this original one, you see on the layers panel, it's not the shape anymore, it's symbol. And here you can see arrow. You take this, you click on this symbol, and if you are changing it, you can see I'm changing the stroke width, and every instance here changes too. And let's say we need a different color. Let's say that one too. You see, it's quite easy to make massive amount of changes just with few clicks. Usually I wouldn't copy it like this. What I would do is I would do master page. Oh, sorry. I would do master page. Let's say master A. Okay. And now I would actually delete those. Take this symbol, put it here. Let's say we need it on both pages, like this. And now we need to say that it's master A, all pages, and okay. Now you see those arrow symbols are here. We can't touch them or change them because they are on master page. But what I can do is now if I change this one symbol, you see everything is gonna be changed on the pages too. So that's how I would use symbol.
Symbols are perfect for headers, navbars, or any design motifs that repeats across your layout. For elements you reuse across different documents, the asset panel is your best friend. So what is asset panel? Here you can see my custom asset panel. If you can't see it, go to Window, General, and Assets. But what I have done here, whereas my custom assets, here are my logos and my illustration. And if I save them here, I can get them on the page fast and every time I need them. So I don't have to open the separate files and copy them from there. And what now? It's for illustrations, your logos, whatever you need.
Next time, we'll cover accessibility and inclusive design, making documents readable for everyone. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, great design should look good on paper and pixels.